And another thing is how everyone has suffered from some form of hurt, where we all build these walls up upon our heart and ourselves just so that way we won't be hurt again. And sometimes we can build those walls up so young as a child that when we already enter into the adolescent years and adulthood, it's just automatically barriers up on our hearts and our spirits. So we are not even letting people in genuinely and wholeheartedly because of those barriers that we put up. And we feel like it's for our own protection. I'm preaching to the choir. I'm one of those ones, and it's still a work in progress for me. However, I have realized that it does more damage than it does provide success. And that's not the way that God intended it to be. So we have to give it a chance.